Hi, I'm Jason Spectar, and today we're going to be showing you how to add your HoloTint onto your XR10 for environments with high levels of light. Let's get started. Today, showing you how to put your HoloTint on your XR10. First, we're going to unbox your HoloTint. You're going to have your lenses with a protective sleeve, screwdriver, and 2 brackets. Now it's time to show you how to attach your HoloTint on your XR10. First, we'll unscrew the 2 screws right behind the lens using the provided screwdriver. Don't forget to put your screws in a place you'll remember and not lose them. Next, you'll remove the brackets from the pouches and attach them to your XR10 in the same provided hole that you unscrewed the last one from. There's a screw that is attached to the bracket that you will use. Just tighten it down, and then also use the screw that you originally took out, like so. Now that you have your brackets installed, simply take your HoloTint, grab it around the first side. There'll be an extruding point, and clicks right on. Now you have your HoloTint installed on your XR10.